Hello friends, and in this video I'll show you how to type superscript in Excel. So like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To type a superscript, do the following. First we type the entire text or formula, then select the needed text or number, the superscript of which you want to add. In our example it's number 3. Right click on the selected value and select Format Cells. In the effects group, select Superscript and click OK. And here is the result. And if you don't select anything but choose the superscript, then the superscript will be typed until you press enter or move to another cell. If you often enter a superscript and you need to speed up the process, then let's add the superscript button to the quick access toolbar. Go to the upper left corner and click the rightmost button. Next, select Customize Quick Access Toolbar. The Excel Options window opens. Now in the Choose Comments from list, select All Comments, and in the lower list we find the Superscript button. It will be somewhere at the end. Select it and click Add. And we return to Excel, and as you can see we have a new Superscript button that we can use to change the text or enter a superscript. This is a great way to enter a superscript, but there is one drawback. This button doesn't want to work with numbers. If there are only numbers in the cell, then we will not be able to enter the superscript in any way. It's simply reset. To be able to enter a superscript, let's insert the equation into our worksheet. Go to the Insert tab, and in the Symbols group we click the Equation button. An additional Equation tab opens. Here we click Script button and select the superscript equation. For better visibility we change the font size of the equation and enter the required values. To move between the index and the main number, use the left and right arrows. You just need to remember that this equation can be inserted into a cell and used in other Excel formulas. That's how the superscript is added. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.